Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha. I'm here today to do a video on the new Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation that came out I think a couple of weeks ago. It's so funny, I was looking for it and I would go into a Sephora that was inside of the JCPenney and they just didn't have it. So finally I was like, let me call, because it was online. So I was like, let me call, because I wanted to try it on first before I actually brought it, because I know they had some extended shades. So I was like, let me call the regular Sephora and see if they have it. And they had it. So they didn't put it in JCPenney. That is shady. Anyway, I have tried a few of the other NARS foundations and I didn't really like them, so we're going to go ahead and try this one. This is what I have on today. I'm actually going to do a full makeup review. I'm going to use the foundation on my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I use this every day. This is kind of like my favorite. I don't like to have a real matte concealer, but it sets very well. I'm going to throw a little Fenty in. I'm going to set with some other stuff, and then I'm going to get this look. And I will let you know how I feel about the foundation. I actually did wear it. I actually did wear it all day yesterday, and I'll let you know how that worked out. So if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at IA Makeup, and let's get this thing started. Now I'm going to go in with my NC50 Studio Finish Concealer by MAC. Put concealer on my eyes, I do like to go in with my Mercier medium deep translucent to basically set my concealer under my eye. I don't like to just leave cream unset, since I am oily. Alright, so my eye today is going to be pretty simple. I am really just trying to give you guys a review on this foundation. So what I'm going to do for my eyes is going what I normally go in with every day, which is my soft brown right here. And then of course you can see my saddle every day. I use this, so. And I kind of use them both and just go all over the whole eye. To warm it up some, I'm going to go in with brown script, which is here. And then I want to say this is Swiss chocolate. Let me see what this is. Yeah. So brown script, which is here. And then a little bit of Swiss chocolate. It does not have a white cast, and it'll just let the color of the foundation show through. So this is my color here. It's called Macao. So it says to shake it up well before use. I am going to use my favorite foundation brush. It's the 159 by MAC. People always ask me, how do you get it so smooth? It's because I use this brush. So I'm going to, I guess we can pump it out in here on this top. I'm just going to pump out about 2 pumps and see how that goes. I never really just put foundation like directly on my face. I always put it on the brush and brush it in. So it's a little bit left. So I always use Nars's Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I always use the color Amande. To set the under eye with is the original Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one here, it's all broke up as you can see, but this is the Before I set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Espresso contour. So I'm going to try something different today. I'm actually going to set my face with the Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder. I've never actually done that. I always just kind of set under my eye with it. But I'm going to set my whole face just to see what kind of look it gives. So since that's now set, I'm going to use, again, Fenty. I'm going to use her, what's this called? The Killawatt and the Ginger Binge and Macao Mule. I usually just mix them. I kind of like the Ginger Binge a little bit better. Has less glitter to it. So that's on. Alright, so I am going to do a little bit of a winged liner, and I'm going to use my Inglot eyeliner gel, and it is in, you can see it, it's in 77. I like Inglot because I feel like it is very dark. Very black. For my lips, I'm going to use two Kat Von D products. I'm going to use the Lovecraft Liquid Lipstick and the Everlasting Pencil in Hawkwind. When these pencils say they stay on, they stay on. They are super creamy though, and I love it. So I'm going to still put a little bit of the Fenty Universal Gloss just in the middle. Like, this gloss is very thick, so you definitely don't need a lot at all. This is my lavender one. They're finally making these permanent, so I can use the rest of this one. So, y'all already know. Okay, so as far as the foundation, I did wear the foundation all day yesterday. It lasted a very long time. Put it on, I'd say around 1-ish. I took it off after maybe 11, almost 12, and it did last a long time on my face. Like I said, I hadn't really tried any other Nars foundation. I did try the other, you know, Radiant Glow, but I am a oily girl, so it didn't work very well on me. Like I said, I always use their concealer. Concealer works very well on me, so now I'm happy that they have a foundation that I feel like will work well with my skin, you know, being an oily girl. It is a nice little price point. It's $49. I will say that they did come out with a bunch of extended colors, which is awesome. So if you are someone who may have a hard time finding a color, I usually don't, and I'm definitely not going to buy a brand that I feel like I have to mix colors to get my color. If you don't have one color that works for me, we probably won't be getting you. So this color worked very well for me. I don't know when I get a little bit darker in the summer how well it worked, but I'm sure I'll be able to find something, or I can just warm this one up with some bronzers or whatever. So do think it is a very good foundation. I feel like they did a good job with this one. They did a good job with the colors as well. Let me know if you guys picked it up. I know a lot of people were, you know, waiting to try it. I was waiting to try it. So let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know if you have it. Let me know if you tried it. I thank you guys for watching once again. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.